Hey everyone, this is Craig Cohagen, Sales Manager right here at Permian Ford. I just wanted to take a moment and thank you so much for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions about anything you see, please give us a call at the number you see below. Thank you and have a great day.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, leather seats, adaptive cruise control, dual power sun moonroof, ventilated seats.
You are going to love the 2020 Ford F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.